Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the regular expression. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in regular expression, you want to learn about it and you want to write about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Also, you can follow me on the Facebook and Instagram as well. Friend, a regular expression, sometimes called as rational expression as well, is basically a sequence of characters that define a search pattern, mainly for use in pattern matching with strings or string matching, that is find that replace like operational as well. Regular expressions are a generalized way to match patterns with sequence of characters. It is used in every programming language like C++, Java, Python, Perl, etc. Now if we talk about the main concept or main pattern, like this character basically match beginning of line, okay, and this dollar character basically define the end of line, okay. Dot means match any character. This pipe sign means or character. This, if you write like that, that means open bracket dot dot and then open the bracket, then that means capture anything matched. Another example like open bracket question mark non-capturing group, that means capture A but only group C. Here this bracket open dot and then close the bracket, match anything contained in these brackets. Open the bracket, this sign dot and then close the bracket, match anything that contain in brackets. A to Z, open bracket A to Z, match any character between A to Z. This bracket X and then close the bracket and the exact X amount of times to match, okay. Then open bracket X comma close bracket, match X amount of time or more. So friend, I think that this video could be helpful for you. It's a very short video so that you can just get an idea that regular expressions are very useful to use. Normally people think that regular expressions are very difficult to use due to their pattern matching, but let me tell you that if you can understand the basics of regular expressions, so you will notice that it will reduce lots of work for you. If you are want to become a programmer, you want to become a good coder. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.